kids! I'm Teacher Cha of Igama College's Foundation Incorporated. Welcome to our reading class. For today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the long vowel sounds. Remember, we have 5 vowels. They are the A, E, I, O, U. Vowels make 2 sounds, the short and the long sound. The short vowel sounds are the A, E, I, O, E. And the long vowel sounds are the A, E, I, O, U. What are the short vowel sounds again? Follow teacher. A, E, I, O, E. Good job! And how about the long vowel sounds? Follow teacher. A, E, I, O, U. Well done! Kids, always put on your mind that long vowel sounds do not change. We say their names when it is in a long vowel, like A, E, I, O, and U. Now, let's try to read some words with long vowel sounds. Let's start with the long vowel A. Read after me, okay? Ready? Ape, airplane, acorn, apron. Good job! Now, let's try to read some words with long vowel A at the middle. Like for example, cake, game, snake, grapes. That's perfect. Next vowel we have is the long vowel E. Read after me, okay? Ready? Eat, eel, eraser, eagle. Great job! Next, long vowel E at the middle. Follow teacher. Ready? Leaf, key, bee, queen. Wow, you're doing good! Next vowel we have is the long vowel I. Read after me, okay? Ready? Island, ice, iron, ice cream. You are awesome! Next, long vowel I at the middle. Follow teacher. Ready? Bicycle, dice, kite, fire. Wow, good job! Next vowel we have is the long vowel O. Read after me, okay? Ready? Ocean, oval, oak, oatmeal. That's amazing! Next, Long vowel O at the middle. Follow teacher. Ready? Rose, cone, soap, nose. Wow, it's perfect. Last vowel we have is the long vowel U. Read after me, okay? Ready? Unicorn, uniform, utensils, unite. Good job! Next, long vowel U at the middle. Follow teacher. Ready? Computer, cube, mule, music. Wow, I like how you read all the words. Thank you for following teacher. That ends our lesson for today. Kids, don't forget the long vowel sounds and the new words we've learned, okay? Remember, don't give up reading. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Goodbye, ICFI kids. See you again.